Today here we're talking about the new Thermador quad door counter depth freestanding refrigerator. This is a new model for Thermador. Just came out. It's dual compressor, dual evaporator. We've got the unique backlit wall. Fantastic. This also has an internal water dispenser here, so you can fill up a pitcher, you can fill up your cup, you can fill up your sports bottle on your way to the gym. The middle drawer here is convertible to 5 different temperatures, and anywhere from meats to wines and cheeses. You get to choose what you want. You get to choose the humidity level as well. So very innovative, designed to help your food last longer.